Let us try this quadratic expression. Let's try about this quadratic expression. We have this form, which is a quadratic, and we need to express it in this form, which is square, a completing square. This is a completing square. So we have 3y square negative 12y negative 15. And then, because according to this, we need to put this 3 out. We need to put 3 as a factor. 3 bracket y square negative 4y, then we need to have a constant, negative 15. So we are going to bring this in this form. This is equal to what? By completing square, we divide by, we know that this is a quadratic, and then we assume that there were a division of, we divide by 2. 3y square negative 4 over 2a. 2a, which is 2 times 1, a is 1, then y, then we add b over 2a square, b over 2a square. b is negative 4 over 2a, 4 over 2a, 2 times 1 square, and we subtract it again, which is 4 over 2 times 1 square, then negative 15. We assume that this one and this one can cancel each other, and then what will you get? Automatically this one, automatically this one is a quadratic with a square. So this is like 3 bracket y negative 2 squared. This is like a square plus 2ab and plus b square. Automatically here it is negative. Automatically this is a negative b squared. Then what you have as b is this number, which is 2. Then what you have is like a 2 times this number, this one, which gives this number. The number we have here is 2 times this. Is 2 times this. And then we subtract with this over this, it is 2 squared. Then negative 15. So we get 3y negative 2. So this question number b, we have that we had to express this in this form. We have seen the answer. And then we need to find the solution. Hence, when you say hence, it means you are depending on the first one. Find the solution of this equation. So, on this equation, since you have 3x power 4, negative 12x squared, negative 15, which is equal to 0, we can start by let y equal to x power 4, x squared. Yes. And if y is equal to x squared, automatically y squared is equal to x power 4. When we square both sides, then this means our equation will become 3y squared negative 12y negative 15 equal to 0. So, according to this equation, we have seen that this expression can be expressed in this one as a completing square. So, this is like 3y negative 2 squared negative 27 equal to 0. We can solve this. Okay, now this one can be solved. We have 3y negative 2 squared equal to 27. You can simplify by 3 both sides. When you simplify by 3 both sides, we remain with the y negative 2 squared, which is equal to 9. So we need to remove this square by squaring, by putting the square root to both sides. We remain with y negative 2 equal to positive 4 negative 3. So if we have this, now y is equal to what? We have two numbers. It means that we need to find the y for both numbers. Y is equal to, for the first number, positive 3. Take this 2 positive. Then, or another y is equal to positive 3. Negative 3 for the second number, negative 3, then positive 2. This is 5, this is negative 1. Then, since you are finding x, and we are going to use this or this. So, for this, for y equal to 5, and y square is equal to x power 4. This means that our y here, 25 is equal to x power 4. Then x is equal to 4th root of 25. And when you put the square root, this is equal to positive or negative root 5. For y square, this is equal to 4 automatically rejected.